This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. The Florida dream can be yours. Imagine sun-soaked weekends splashing in your custom pool and SPA. Enjoy delicious meals prepared outdoors in your summer kitchen after a fun day of jet skiing. From top to bottom, this home has been meticulously maintained and is located in the sought-after, highly desirable gated community of CORY Lakes. Beautifully located with close proximity to great shopping, dining, commuting, airports, schools and entertainment, you will never run out of things to do. Spacious, bright and inviting, this floor plan has a wonderful flow. Enjoy the stunning fireplace all winter long. The magnificent hardwood floors are rich and inviting. The kitchen is large and a welcoming place to gather your family and friends for meals. Oversized bedrooms create a great space for your family or guests. The primary suite is enormous and creates a luxurious retreat to escape from your busy day. It is rare to find a house with this much charm and character, plus all the modern conveniences and space. You and your family will be proud to call this house your home. Brand new roof 2024. ACs replaced 2018. Water heater 2022. All information contained herein deemed accurate but subject to independent verification. All dimensions approximate. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561-929-2269 cell.